Oh my goodness, today is the day. Today's the day I show you my room. Not only am I showing you my room, but it is my Christmas room tour. I am so excited for this video because I have worked really hard on it, honey. Like, look, even leaning, like I've worked hard. It's still not even close to being done, but I feel like it's finally at a place I will be comfortable and okay with showing you. And especially since like the Christmas vibes are going, like my happy vibes are going. So we're gonna go ahead and head into my room. If you haven't already, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button as well as that like button if you like me, of course. If not, then you don't have to, but I would like it. It'll be a great Christmas present if you did so, let me just say. So let's go ahead and head into my room. Okay, when you walk to my room, we're gonna go ahead and go right. Hello. This is my beautiful Christmas tree that I got from Walmart. Sorry, I forgot for 2 seconds. And all the ornaments also came from Walmart, I believe, except some of like the poofy ones and stuff because those are old, and the bows. And then that star, no clue where it came from, honestly, so it's old. Then right next to the Christmas tree, we have an Olaf. My dad got this Olaf a long time ago. I forgot where. Oh, and now we have a Sophie in her bed. Sophie loves her bed. We're gonna go ahead and go to Sophie. Hi, baby. Hi. How you doing? So on Sophie's bed, I have this like small pillow. It says, Dear Santa, I can explain. As you can tell, she loves it. Bop. Yeah, that was awesome. A lot of the things in here are really old. It's my mom's hand-me-downs, basically, like that. Because I didn't want to spend a lot of money this year on buying Christmas stuff. I do so every year. And yeah, I wanted to get a tree for my room. That was expensive already. So I kind of just use hand-me-down stuff. I'll tell you if something was somewhere else recently, but if not, then I just won't say it because, you know. Okay, so after we have Olaf and this little bed, we go to the right of it. We have this little patisserie, le gâteau, I can't honestly read that next word. And then it says number 196 Rue Royale. Now that means pastries, the cakes, and I think delicates, and maybe delicate. And then Rue, so street, Royal, so Royal Street. So this is kind of like a sign for a pastry place. And that's gonna go on this wall right here. I just haven't done so yet, so imagine that is right there. Okay, swooping this way. Oh, look what we have. We have our lovely nutcrackers. I got this nutcracker in 2016. As you can see, he is so cute. I love how he's pink. My favorite color, if you can't tell, is pink. We have this Everything is Better with a Little Magic. I got that at Ross. Then we have the Mouse King. Awesome. So we have the little duo. And then it's just sat on top of my bookcase. So let's go into my bookcase. We have all my Harry Potter books right here. A couple are missing. I need a new Harry Potter collection. We have my wand I got at Universal. A little tiny pop of Hermione. A little ring. And then one of my favorite things in this whole entire world, move this, my Hogwarts snow globe. Oh my goodness, this is my favorite thing, because watch what this does. If I can get it. It's the most magical thing in this whole entire world, is it not? I just watch it like, it is the most magical thing. Now down one shelf, we have a little love potion, a bow truckle, a wand that my brother handed me down. This was Voldemort's wand. I think it was actually Tom Riddle's when he was younger. But then we have just a bunch of books like Girl Stop Apologizing, Anne Frank, The Kite Runner, and all that jazz. A chocolate frog box. A lot of my journals, because I have a lot of journals. Now down one shelf we have my high school yearbook, the Archive of Magic, and all that jazz, and some coloring stuff. Right next to that, it's a very empty piggy bank basically, and it's our adventure fund. And my boyfriend and I are traveling in the summer of 2021. We're going to all different places for our 5th anniversary. So I have this, but you know, I haven't started filling it out. Oops. Okay, now we go to my desk. We have Love Makes Everything Grow. This is a very old chair. I've had this since I was like 13. I need to update it. The same thing with the desk. The desk is dirty as heck. There's my phone. Let me move that. Okay, so right here. Oh, like you can see my tummy. Hi. Hi. Okay, so we have this number 5 Chanel. This is the, obviously, I don't have this perfume. I think I just hate the smell of the perfume, but I love the look of perfume. So I have it in a painting. This is from Ross as well. You'll see a common theme of Ross and Bells. Okay, oh, in Marshalls. So onto my desk, we have this Honeydukes jar that I got in Harry Potter World at Honeydukes. And then just regular jelly beans. I didn't put every flavor, although I should to prank my boyfriend because he always eats out of this jelly bean jar. So I kind of want to do put every flavor in here. Then we have this cute little gingerbread man from a thrift store. I have this crown I got a long time ago at a Irish dance. Then my mirror that does light up, but it's not plugged in right now. Oops. And then we have some brushes. These are like Morphe brushes. I love Morphe eye brushes, especially because I've been getting more into eye looks recently. Just a regular candle. It's by Spa Waters. I love lighting candles in my room. Then this cute little Buddha that is, I think it was from, honestly, I don't know where he was from. Where were you from, little Buddha? Okay, then in my drawer, I kind of want to show you, but I don't. So we're just going to open it a little bit. It is mess town. Look how messy this is. I'm not even gonna go through this. We're just gonna close it back up. Yes, you saw medication in there. I have no shame for taking meds. Okay, now to my left, we have my bed. This is like my favorite part of my room. I have this beautiful blanket. This is from Bells as well. Then we have this, I don't know if you can see the detailing. This blanket, this was from Amazon. I'll put the link down below. It's reversible because it could also be this pink color. So I always change that. And then we have this cute little bunny I have on here. And that my boyfriend got me for like our first or second Valentine's Day. I think it was our second Valentine's Day he got me that bunny because my favorite animal is a bunny and I love them. This Hello Lovely pillow, which I need to get rid of because it's turning a green color and was originally gold. Pick Me Puff. This thing is really annoying when it goes off at night. See, it's still going. Okay, now let's go over here. And we have this cute little llama pillow I got from Bells. And then my head wig. This one is a freaking puppet. And then where's the... This one also makes noise. I want to wash it, but I can't, because you know, the noise thing in it. Okay, then we have this headboard I bought through a yard sale, so it's not really, I don't know where it's from, but it's really cute, so I really liked it. My side table is from Ross. Then we have this beautiful Buddha, you know, snow globe. I love snow globes. You can't tell. This little flower pot, I believe from Ross. Those are either Ross or Bells. Then this cutest little deer doe, whatever. And this one is from Bells. I seriously saw it and I couldn't get enough of it. Like, look how cute she is. Ah, she is flawless, honey. And all that glitter, I love her. Okay, we're gonna back up. And then we have my fairy light curtains. These are the best thing in this whole entire world. Like, look at her. Because these also come with a remote. So let me just get that remote real quick. Okay, so here's the remote. And I have like a bunch of different settings I can use. I can even dim the lights. I can make them brighter. And then I can like put them in different settings. Like, look how gorgeous. Oh, so gorgeous. I'm just gonna keep them at 8 right now. But I love these. I'll also put these in the link because they are from Amazon. Then I have this little thing, which is, I don't do fashion, I am fashion, which is Coco Chanel quote. And then the original or the boy bag, and it says Coco Chanel on it. I love her, if you can't tell. She is one of my biggest inspirations. I love fashion, and she just really jump-started my fashion. We go down, Right next to my bed, you see a cord, sorry. But this is just a blanket holder I have for extra fuzzy blankets for people who come over. If I just get cold, it's also just a good decoration. And then it just has some French words on it that I don't feel like reading because a lot of them are upside down. Then we have this beautiful rug. I got this one from Ross. See, I get everything from a freaking, department store, you know? It's great. So here's the rug. Beautiful. Turn to the left of that, we have this little mirror I probably got from Ross as well. Hello, here's the camera. Here's me. Hello. Okay, so we have a few chokers. My necklace that my best friend Sydney got me, which is a Scorpio. Then I have my graduation little things. I graduated from Lively Technical College the same year I graduated from high school. I got a legal administration certification. Then I have this necklace my granny made me. And then I have this necklace that I just bought from probably Charlotte Russe. And then I forgot to show you this. This is one of my favorite things ever. I just have it right here because I felt like it was the best place to put it. My parents got me this a while ago. It says, fall in love, try everything once, play in the rain, be thankful, do what you love, embrace change, trust in yourself. I love this so much. I might end up moving this right over here though, and then maybe moving that everything's better, the little magic somewhere else because I got that during Halloween and I feel like it needs to go right now. It's not the color scheme. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and give you an overlook of my room. Okay, so I hope you liked this video as much as I did filming it. I am so excited for the Christmas season. I'm so excited that I'll be posting every freaking weekday until like Christmas. Like guys, Christmas is 21 days away. I'm pumped today. I'm sorry if I'm a little too much. I'm like pumped and ready to go. My arms hurt because I went rock climbing yesterday. Okay, so yeah, that's my room. If you have any questions, like comment down below. I'll answer them. I'm pretty good at answering things. And yeah, I hope you have a beautiful day and I'll see you tomorrow. Don't forget to hit that like button and that subscribe button if you enjoy me. I think I'm pretty cool. My mom thinks I'm pretty cool. My dog thinks I'm pretty cool. So like, I feel like that's lots of validation that I'm cool, you know?